So you want to model a spring heating in Blender. Let's get started. There are two ways. First one is a little basic, so press Shift A, mask and add a circle. Then rotate 90 degree in X-axis. Drag it a little bit to the left, press Ctrl A and apply all transform. Now go to modifier tab and add a screw modifier. Increase the screw value and iteration as per your need. Increase the resolution here and just play with these values. If you want to control the thickness, go to edit mode by pressing tab and scale the circle, and that's it. Now the second way, it's a little more flexible, so go to edit preferences and then search for extra objects. Select add curve extra objects and you need to enable it. Press Shift A, curve, then find the curve spiral option and select the first option. Go to this pop-up, increase the radius growth to make it like a cone, or make it 0 if you don't want it. Play with the radius, height to make it long enough, and play with the turns and steps option here. To add thickness, go to object data properties or this spline icon and go to bevel option, increase the depth. If you want to make it subtle, then hold shift and drag it. Increase the resolution here if you need. Here is another thing, if you still want to do some tweaks with the radius and height, then press F9. It's going to bring back the pop-up menu again. So yeah, that's how you make a spring in Blender.